Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today we're going to make some tibs or fried meat. We're using some lamb, a beautiful simple Ethiopian dish. Tibs actually just means to fry. The word tibs means to fry. This is like a dry fried meat. Now with my very limited amount of Amharic, I will be pointing out some of the ingredients that I know to help you on your way basically. That's it. Let's go and get on with it. So here we go. So we've got our meat here. I'm using lamb, and there's quite a few bones in there, little ribs and all that, but a nice bit of meat on there. Onion, chili. I'm using these kind of bigger ones. They're actually not that hot. Some rosemary. I don't have fresh rosemary, which I wish I did, but I'm using some dried. And we've got garlic, plenty of garlic. We're going to get over to the cooker, start this off with some oil. So I've got a pan here. I'm using my favourite wok at the moment. We've got some oil in there. In Amharic, that is ZEIT. We're now going to add to that our meat or Siga. And as you can see, like I said, I've got some nice little chops in there, ribs in there, but some nice meat there as well. Okay, we're going to go for about 6 minutes just frying the meat. In fact, the word tibs actually means to fry. So we're going to fry this for about 6 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then, get it on the way. Okay, this has been about 6 minutes so far. I'm now going to add in that dried rosemary. Like I said, I wish I had some fresh stuff, but I don't. We're now going to add some salt. The word for salt in Amharic, I think is CHOW. I always get confused with that. There's goodbye and salt. CHOW and CHOW. Anyway. I'm sure one of you will correct me on that. We're going to continue for about another 4 minutes. Want to get this really on its way before we add any more ingredients. Keep it moving. Okay, this is looking a little bit more like it. At this point I'm going to add in my garlic or NECH. NECH means white, shinkut means onion, so garlic is white onion. We're now going to add in our onion or shinkut. We're staying on this high heat. I'm going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Again, keep it moving around. Okay. Wonderful stuff, very easy. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of Ethiopian butter or KIBE. Now I'm going to get around to making the video for KIBE, but right now because of the lockdown period I can't get hold of some of the ingredients. There's things like FASOLIYA in there, koromina, khoseret. There's a lot going on inside it. So once the lockdown period's sorted out, I can get some ingredients for it. Okay, turn off the heat. I'm just going to drop in those chilies. Now you could be using smaller chilies if you want something hotter. I like these ones. We're going to give that a mix. We're done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. I'm a Saganala.